As you mentioned, I'm Jeff Hendren from Atomic Financial. It's great to see all these faces in person. We have built out connectivity to payroll accounts, the infrastructure that connects to payroll accounts. And we've done this in a way that's unlocking access to verify income and employment that sits within a paycheck through our partners, in addition to the distribution and the flow of money from the paycheck. Today, we work with partners who are utilizing our service, such as Chime, Robinhood, MoneyLion, Earnin, to name a few, to help change the flow of money for individuals and verify income and employment so that they can get access to additional products and services that they normally wouldn't have access to. Today, I'll walk you through two demonstrations. One will walk through specifically what it looks like from a consumer perspective and how easy it is to verify income, employment, and change direct deposit or the money flow. In addition, we'll walk through what it looks like for one of our customers to integrate with our solution and our system. You'll see on the screen here, I'm in my banking app, and I'm interested in actually starting to fund my bank account through my direct deposit, not just through a prior funding method. So I have the ability to link my direct deposit. I click on that, and I'm launched into the Atomic SDK. From here, I can see how Atomic protects my data and information. In addition, I can move forward and start to search for my payroll system and or my employer so that I can connect to the payroll system. In this case, I work at Galaxy Donuts, so I'm going to go ahead and search for that. As simple as typing in my username and my password. I then have the option to fully change my direct deposit and the flow of money into this bank, or do a percentage or a specific dollar amount. I continue forward with a percentage, choose that, and confirm. And then we're hitting the APIs to authenticate into the system and open a session and pass through the account and routing number into the payroll system. I'm complete at this point, and we pass the user, the consumer, directly back into the banking app. And so as you can see, it's a very simple system, easy to get up and running and integrate, easy from a consumer perspective. We see about 70% of consumers that identify their employer or payroll system successfully authenticate, so a pretty high rate of authentication through the system. Now to demo how a customer works with us. So a customer comes into us and can access our API documentation, and in addition, get access into our sandbox environment. We support a multitude, in this case, programming languages for them to build against. And in our sandbox environment, they're able to utilize the same SDK I showed you to build out their consumer experience. We set them up. Their team then has access into the system, working with our team in a Slack environment, and engaging in the user workflows that they want to utilize. From here, our client is able to set up those fractional deposits you saw in the demo, utilize manual instructions, and select the data points that they actually want to pull from the payroll system, from income, employment information, income type, and identity information as well. And just a small representation of some of the data they can access in here and the deductions that sit within the paycheck they build from here for this. So as I mentioned, what we've built is number one, easy access to unlock the power of what lies within the paycheck, right? The ability to verify data very easily and change the flow of money from the paycheck. And so we are working with, I mentioned, Earnin, Chime, MoneyLion, and Robinhood to do this. And the future of where we see this going is that we are already working with several companies on the flow of money from this and making payments. And so part of the future of what we're building is that flow of money and payment system from the payroll system, providing a third form of payment in essence. And that wraps it up. Thanks for your time today. I appreciate it.